Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. It's Melissa O'Connell, your Lexus technology specialist with a tech tip about the clock. It is daylight saving time again, and we now have Lexus vehicles with an auto adjust for daylight saving time, finally. So if you're excited, let's go check it out. I'm going to show you in a 2020 Lexus RX. There are a variety of different models that have auto adjust for daylight saving time, but if yours doesn't, don't worry. We have loads of videos about all the different clocks throughout the years on our Lexus vehicles. So make sure to click the link below for the clock change video tutorial playlist for more information. Thanks for tuning in, and let's go check it out. Start by pressing Menu, and then select Setup and Clock. And you'll see that we now have Time Zone Auto Adjust as well as Daylight Saving Time. If you don't see the auto option, it does mean you need to make a manual selection of on or off depending on the time of year and if you are in an area that uses daylight saving time. Thanks so much for watching. Happy daylight saving and happy Tech Tip Tuesday. See you next time.